Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a big table on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to create a bigger table, you just need to click on the insert option, and here I just going to choose a 3x3 table, so it's easier to make a table big. So first option, there is two methods. I'm just going to show a first method. You just need to select the entire table, and right click on the mouse. You can see a option called table properties here. Just click here. Then you just need to enable the minimum row height option here. Then you just need to change this option. You can see now the table was so bigger. There is a 3x3 and you can change it as 0.5, so according to your row size, but you can see the changes not applied for everything. So you just need to select the table. Then you just can reduce the height by using this table size. So the another option, the second method is, for an example, you can just increase the particular row height by this. Then you just need to select the, you can see, right click here, you can see distribute the row option here. That's it. So it's so simple. For example, I'm just going to control widget. You just increase any row, then right click here. You just need to use this option, distribute the row. So same thing for the column. So try this option in Google Docs and make your big table on your Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.